When we talk about Fujian, people often think of its pristine natural beauty, ancient historical sites, and unique culinary culture. However, Fujian is also renowned for another image, its streets submerged in water after heavy rains. Flooding is a natural phenomenon that frequently occurs in Fujian, especially during the autumn season. The issue of coastal rock erosion is becoming increasingly serious along the coastlines of China, and the Central Church in Daly City is no exception. Located in Jiangsu Province, China, the church is facing a potential threat from the shifting of rock formations. Over time and through numerous heavy rains, the rocks have gradually shifted towards the church's parking lot. This movement has caused the protective barrier wall, built to safeguard the church, to crack and tilt. Located in southern Hainan Province, Vulkaneifel is a unique volcanic region that attracts tourists with its rugged and majestic beauty. With over 30 volcanic craters, each possessing its own distinct charm, Vulkaneifel paints an impressive natural landscape. The highlight of Vulkaneifel is its volcanic crater lakes, characterized by clear blue waters that are calm and reflective like mirrors. Hailstorms suddenly caused serious damage to a shopping center in China, puncturing many roofs and leaving a mark of fierce nature. A Chinese wedding taking place in the rain creates a mysterious and solemn atmosphere, akin to a ceremony of spirits. The sky over Mosenica Draga, once serene, is now engulfed in ominous gray, signaling the approach of a fierce storm. The wind howls like a wild beast, uprooting trees and causing chaos in the streets. Rain pours down like a waterfall, torrentially soaking rooftops and forming rushing streams along the roads. Located between two mountain ranges, the small town of Paulden, Arizona, frequently faces mini dust storms during dry summer months. Winds blowing through this area carry cold air masses from the northwest and warm air masses from the southeast, creating intense dust storms. A horrifying moment when a giant 150 FT rock collapsed onto West Bay Beach, Dorset, was captured on video. The rock collapse started with a small dust cloud seen rising from the middle of the cliff face. Immediately after, the entire 150 FT rock mass crashed down onto the beach, creating a resounding boom. A horrific landslide occurred in Renuka, Sirmaur district, Himachal Pradesh, India, leading to millions of tons of earth cascading down from the hillside, burying everything in its path. A terrifying roar echoed, tearing through the sky and shaking the ground. Thunderstruck tsunami. However, looking outside, there were no bright flashes of lightning. Instead, everything remained shrouded in dark gloom. The deafening sound continued, causing powerful vibrations that seemed to threaten the collapse of buildings. A fierce blaze erupted, engulfing a large area of the plain and sending thick columns of black smoke billowing into the sky. Firefighters were dispatched to the scene to extinguish the flames. After hours of effort, they managed to contain the fire and prevent it from spreading further. However, the fire caused extensive damage to the plains, scorching numerous trees and vegetation. The scene was chaotic and filled with excitement as crowds gathered to witness the spectacular collapse of the cliff. The cliff crumbled with terrifying force, creating a thunderous sound akin to lightning. Enormous rocks shattered and plummeted down the mountainside at dizzying speeds. Dust obscured the sky completely. The collapse unfolded in just a few brief seconds, yet it left a profoundly powerful impression on all those who witnessed it. A powerful thunderstorm swept through Pudasjärvi, causing extensive property damage. Although no humans or animals were injured, many houses in the area lost power, and several square kilometers of forest and fields were devastated by trees toppled by the wind. The thunderstorm struck suddenly in the late afternoon, accompanied by strong winds and heavy rain. The wind knocked down numerous trees, breaking branches and uprooting them, plunging many areas into darkness. A number indicating the immense power of the waves crashing on Rue des Fleurs and Cale de Rochebonne. This morning, the sky was dark and gloomy, as if about to collapse onto the sea. The long, fierce waves pounded the shore with terrifying force, creating a resounding roar. White foam scattered everywhere, blending with the dark sky to create a romantic yet mysterious scene. Rappel Reservoir, located amidst the majestic Andes Mountains of Chile, is an impressive hydraulic project and a popular tourist destination. Built in 1964, Lake Rappel plays a crucial role in providing water for domestic use, irrigation, and hydroelectric power generation in the region. It contributes significantly to the socioeconomic development of the local area. Recently, Texas has been experiencing multiple severe hailstorms, resulting in damage to homes and vegetation. Hailstones can be highly dangerous, reaching sizes as large as baseballs and falling at high speeds, causing serious injuries to people and animals. The prolonged heavy rain accompanied by the storm's landfall has caused severe flooding on many roads in Mrs. Mary's neighborhood. Her child's school is located in a low-lying area that is frequently affected by floods. Currently, water has flooded into classrooms and other areas of the school, disrupting normal academic activities. Heavy rain and flooding continue to ravage Kingston, Jamaica, making the situation worse. Rising floodwaters have trapped many people inside the stalls at the market, where they seek shelter. Beryl storm has made landfall at Matagorda Bay, Texas, with strong winds and heavy rain, causing severe damage to the area. A man is reported to be trapped in his car after the storm hit. His vehicle is stuck in floodwaters, and he is unable to escape. Recently, the town of Troyes, Belgium, experienced a devastating flood due to continuous heavy rain. The river water rose rapidly, causing many areas within the town to be submerged in deep water. However, fortunately, due to timely warnings from authorities, residents were evacuated to safety before the flood occurred.